Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today, we're going to show you how to restore deleted conversation in Messenger. It's quick and easy. Now let's get started. Method 1. Check Archive folder. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Step 2. Click on the 3-line menu icon at the bottom to open the options. Step 3. Select Archive from the menu, where hidden conversations are stored. Step 4. Look for the deleted conversation in the Archive folder. It might still be there. Step 5. If you find it, simply open the conversation to restore it back to your inbox. Method 2. Recover from Facebook data download. Step 1. Open the Messenger app and click the 3-line menu icon at the bottom. Step 2. Tap the gear icon at the top to open settings. Step 3. Scroll down and click Show More in Account Center for advanced options. Step 4. Select Your Information and Permissions to manage your data. Step 5. Click Download your information to request a copy of your messages. Step 6. Choose Download or Transfer Information to proceed. Step 7. Select your Facebook profile and click Next. Step 8. Click Select Types of Information to customize your download. Step 9. Check the Messages option and click Next. Step 10. Choose Download to this device or email for delivery. Step 11. Set the date range to include when the messages were deleted. Step 12. Click Save, then Create File to generate your data. Step 13. Once the file is ready, download it to access your deleted messages. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.